Rod, hold him.
Kill him, man.
Fisher woman. Watch out going people. Today they are the most famous fishing spot in Jamaica. Causeway Bridge. If you don't believe, you wanna watch the process. I yes, all the big fish them catch. Kazwear. Line for kill line out on the side of the bridge. If you drop off here, so if you can't swim, you sure know what will happen. One time somebody drive off of the bridge. You could have drive and park up on the bridge up here, so but they can't do it no more. Then block off down there so no car can enter on the bridge. So right now we're here. You see if we can catch some jack. We come here in the evening. The evening time when the jack them are run. So we come to catch some jack, kill some fish, and see what's going on. Alright? So wanna stay tuned, watch the process, and see if we can kill 2 jack in the evening. Yeah. Believe. Tell you now, my line, the specs them. I have a 80 pound, I have a 8,000 Daiwa, 80 pound braid on it, the sticker Hurricane, and I have one 60 pound Mano leader line, and I have one spoon 5 ounce. So we're there, I say we can hook up some jack in the evening for when the jack them start go off for the bait fish them. So we just wait and see if we can catch a jack. But if we catch a jack, I carry it go give to one of my mechanic brethren. Because I don't really like how the jack them taste, so I don't eat them that often. But we don't just go and watch the process. We're there out there with turbo them. We're going to see if we can catch something in the evening, alright? Watch the process. So general there, right? Just try to catch off. What you say I try to catch off? You know? Jummer and snook. Yeah man, so I have some bait. What type of bait you use?
Chapon.
Chapon. Cut chapon. See my people. So I catch off some drummer. Drummer then eat good enough peeps. So I don't lie now, I catch some a good while now. And when you cook them man, them sweet. So yeah man, the drummer them nice. If you catch one of them, I'm going to show you what them look like. But a beer rather than real line out on the bridge. So right down to the next end. See, I look like a man catch a fish right there. So you can get to it, move slow to it. But you run off and one fish a while ago. So you have line from, rod and line from both sides of the bridge. So the bridge where people travel and go Portmore and Kingston. Right? The line just go off a while ago, but him run to the rod slow. But just see some fish come up and water a while ago, people. Them big. So, rod. See that, so. That one there in front. In the pan the same way. In the pan the same way. In the pan the same way.
Kill him, man.
Hold him.
Kill him, man.
Kill him. A female and fight something here, people.
Yes, and
as a fisher woman. Hold it.
She good, man. She know a bad game, man.
As a fisher woman.
Watch yourself out of camera. Watch yourself out of camera. Go around the man.
Go on there. Go on, Annie.
Go on, son.
Yeah.
Go on, Chantel, pan here.
Hold Chantel pan here.
Billy.
One female a fight it now, people.
Go on, Chantel. Oh, you move so slow, man.
Watch your line. Under.
Stool.
Over. Walk past.
Hey, push up. Watch your line, run.
Go on.
He's up, he's active. What Chantel pan here, man.
Fight it.
Wanna come here, sir?
Go on there.
Man, them come here, sir. Come here, sir.
Take up my yellow line. Take up my orange line.
That something up on that.
No. Come under with it, turbo.
Under turbo, under with.
Hold on, man. It's not up. Come, Chantel, walk go down.
Inflow that.
Walk go down.
Up with this.
Walk go down, Chantel.
Alright, put it down. In the pan it on the same?
Yeah, man.
That's what I go down the people.
Hold on,
Oh, one jack. Seeing the peeps? One jack, baby. In swallow it in a turbo. Right, panel lippy there. Just look like it's swallow. Stack people. Right, panel Causeway Bridge. And there's a woman that fight the fish a while ago.
Gavin, where are you for help, Gavin?
Watch them fight the fish people. All of them. Watch how I go on. Them try walk with the fish. We go down there so. To take him up.
Thank you very much.
Fisherman them. I say go on the bridge, people. I saw them do it on the bridge. That is how it work on the bridge. You get me? No other way. And you don't know say I have one turbo and the dog take it over, you know. And I walk with them go down. So meanwhile them I walk them and lift up rod for put. So no more line I get knot up and thing. I catch what I go on. I'm showing you down in the water, I'm going to see what I go on down there. And still I walk with him. So them I walk with the fish like one dog, people. You know when you walk dog? Yeah man, I saw them I walk with the fish. To get him out of the water. A nice size jack too, you know.
Pops, down on the ground, Pops.
There's so much line them have to go on. Whole heap of line that's in the thieves. So the general they run gone down there now to get off him. When I go see what I go on, get off him, I go get off him. You know. They normally have one net with them stretch on in the water to take them up, but them don't have none today. So the general I go get off him, you know. Stay up on a level. See me down there.
Right!
Yeah!
One cup on here.
Come back. Yeah. Yeah, in there and bring him in a land. Yeah! Where's the one pops in on here?
One Kuma.
Yeah. That is it. We are here to let them come up and show no one God. Yes, the man. The people see that. That is it. Believe. So I go and right to say you know.
Nothing's far.
Line them not up.
Yeah, cut. No man, I'm not
after fighting the fish
oh,
people, see the line them not up so them a cut out. I cut it you know.
Yeah, pull it. Alright. What's your name?
Turbo one pull it, general one cut.
No man, remember say a business hours now.
Business hours, you can't waste
yeah,
the
you
time.
can't waste the time in a business hours.
Cause a whole heap of fish soon start run you know. So we can chew it with spoon, bait to catch some of them fish there where them just pull in a while ago. And them type of action you go on the bridge. Yeah man, them type of action you go on. So if you don't know the Causeway Bridge, I know they're close by, I know he's a fisherman or a fisherwoman, you can just pass through. Just come in with on a rod and come catch a fish. Right? That is it. So now go and watch the process. If you don't believe, ask God. Upon your line in there, uncle? Yeah, he just jumped up a while ago.
You never feel him. I want baby.
In the panda, man. Hold him, uncle, hold him. On Tarpon people. But just see real up a while ago. Yeah, man, him did that.
I want to go another line there. This one? I don't know what kind of fish. Get over uncle. Uncle, come with it. Come with Chantel. Go over there. Hold on right there, my boy.
Hold on, step. I want Tarpon?
Yeah, I want baby Tarpon. See me really?
Oh, watch it.
Alright, uncle, you're one. I'm just stay so cold and there from morning.
Tarpon people. Yo, they must say a baby Tarpon. All the people that say yo is a big Tarpon. But the reason why they say it's a baby Tarpon people, because they might catch all Tarpon up here where we're 300, 400 pounds here on the bridge. So they must say that one day is a baby Tarpon. Holy pop. A big Tarpon that, no? See there. So, two them catch big Tarpon already, so that a small Tarpon to them. So just like how we walk the jack go down to the end of the bridge, that's how them are gonna do it and take him out as well. Alright? So, no go on lock in with the here. Don't know say any more action, straight to go on. The bird them are coming now. When you see a lot of bird, that is a sign. That's a sign that bait fish in the water and the jacks them going for the bait fish them. Alright? So as I did say earlier on, we are the most famous fishing spot in Jamaica, Causeway Bridge. If you don't know it, you need to get here. On the way to Portmore, or everybody's supposed to know that bridge here. If you don't know that bridge here, you're not a Jamaican. Alright? Believe. See fish and people, Tarpon when they say small. Holy pan need this in a beeps. Then a man. What? Oh, easy yourself. You get catch. You gonna get cooked. Him skill him thick, you know. Yeah man. Tarpon. Say it a go on the bridge, peeps. On the Kazwear Bridge. Look what I go on, people. The bird them a go home, you know. Them a leave from over the side here. Look at the sunset. Sun going down. So the bird them a head home, you know. But now see not jacking at the water. Where say bird them a go Port Royal. So them a go Port Royal, peeps. Normally bird them would have stopped right here, so whole leap in the tier, but watch it. Yeah man, I see it man. So the bird them on migrate to go home. So peeps, the man them a wait for the fish them start running now. What you say, Turbo?
Believe. One dead and a dead. One knock and a knock. Two knock and knock off. Three knock and knock out. And that way I wait for peeps. Believe! Ring! Man!
Yes, no man. So we just want to see something. We just want to see water move away, you know. So you just say man just throw out them rather than like throw out them line out and see there. See wharf over there, so have a barrel them and now let them go people. So them a load on load on one container there or them a unload it. Yeah. Over wharf there so. Over there them have all like barrel them and the container them. Oh need to free up the barrel them. So people them a west can get the goods them. You get me? Cause from last year barrel ship and all now a lot of people can't get them barrel. But see wharf there. Kingston wharf. Watch out gone people, everybody a pack up. If you leave you now, night a come down. The jack them not come out. So we have to head out you now. No fish. But I'm go and stay tuned, me keeping up to date and make know what's going after. You get me? But no more, no fish in the air. No more fish, no more fish. Alright people, we don't catch nothing. Right now me head home right now. Today was a long day. I did some tour in the Blue Mountain with some guests. And then I try come see if I can catch two fish, but it not work out. So I just head home now, big up on yourself. And we'll probably try to do something else tomorrow. We're not sure yet. But like we said, come down. Alright? Remember, if you guys like this, enjoy this video, just give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Alright? Peace and love. Love and peace. And we catch you in our next adventure.